Hi, thanks for tuning in to this screencast. I'm going to show you how to make a mobile app for your assignment using Cleverlize. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your internet browser. Okay? Once you open up your internet browser, you'll go to browser and you're going to type in Cleverlize. Then you're going to go to the site, in which case you will arrive right here. You will click sign up for free. Then you'll enter a username, which will be your first initial of your first name and your last name. So mine would be N. Klein. Then you're going to make up a password. You're going to type in your school email. Sign your life away by clicking the terms of use and privacy policy. Of course, you should always read this, especially this one. But really, whoever does, nobody reads these. Anyway, click sign up. And ta-da! I already have an account, so it says someone has already used this username, which would be me. If you already have an account, you're going to want to sign in which you go to their homepage. Well, I'm signed into a different account, and you sign in. Okay, that's all. When you start this project, you are going to be doing 7 of Kennedy's foreign policies. That would be including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of these should be everything. Everything in this box. So you have this in your notebooks. Also, you will be doing these 3. So a total of 10 different things. For Johnson's foreign policy, you'll be doing these 3. And you will not be doing all of these. This is too much. For this one, you will be doing the war on poverty. You'll be doing Medicaid. You'll be doing Medicare. You'll be doing omnibus housing. You will be doing the Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD, Housing and Urban Development. You will be doing Elementary and Secondary Act. And let's see what else. Oh, and a few more. Hold on. This in there. We will be also doing the Great Society and CPP. I think that is Corporation of Public Broadcasting. You watch like Sesame Street on that. Okay, and this information can be found at 638 through through 645 in your textbook. Eventually, when you get into your account, you're going to see this screen. You're going to make a new app. So the title of it is going to be called LBJ and JFK. And then I would put your name after it. So going to go to the category, and you are going to click on the category and go up to HTML so we can all view the new app and keep it in English, of course. Click submit, and now you're looking at the layout. Okay, these are the steps you're going to go through. We've just did one, so we're going to build our app. What do we want in our app? I will tell you, you'll need an article, you will need flashcards, you will need a test. All the stuff you get for your article is going to be right here. Choose modules for your app. So start with your article. Click New Article. And you will be presented with something that looks a lot like Microsoft Word. Okay, let's pretend you have JFK, John F. Kennedy. You're going to put the title of the president as your title. To successfully complete this article, you will need to include a brief description of John F. Kennedy. You will provide a picture. You can get a picture by clicking there and inserting the image URL there. Let's try to get a picture of John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy. Perfect. What happens if you go to click that? Copy that. Go back. Tab. Paste it in. Insert the image. Voila, you've got yourself an image. Then you can go under the image and you're going to write, and think about how you might want to, who knows, maybe you'll want to center the image, make it look a little better. And you'll put name, so you put John F. Kennedy. Kennedy. You need to have the date. Dates this person was president. Which, if you notice, it actually gave me this above here. And then the political party, Democrat, that he belonged to. Then, in this article, oops, I guess you can only go one way. You're going to make some bullet points, and you are going to need we have some trouble with formatting. Foreign policy. Make a bullet point there, and then from now on, you can use these things to indent, but you're going to put the 7 items underneath the foreign policy category. So you'll do that by indenting. You just enter down and then indent, and you'll put the first one. Or let me give you an example, Bay of Pigs. Bay of Pigs. Foreign policy also must be in chronological order, which means you need dates, right? Okay, let's keep that in mind. We put Bay of Pigs, 1961, and then, of course, put 2 dashes, and you answer the who, what, when, where, hopefully it doesn't look like gibberish. Anyway, then you just enter in the next one. Say you do Cuban Missile Crisis. Oh, you gotta have chronological, right? Date. You wanna have the date, right? And you keep going forward. You also should bold your heading, your main heading for foreign policy, and underline the events. Okay. Then when you're done listing the foreign policies, you will click that button, mix back, and you go domestic policy. Remember chronological order again. Dates, you're going to want to bold it. Okay, oops. And then we're going to click this, indent, unbold that, and you will type in a domestic policy. Let's do space race. Right, you'll put the date, 2 dashes, the who, what, when, where, why, and how for each, right? And you go down, and you go down. Okay, I'm forgetting something here though. You also need to mention after the who, what, when, where, why, and how, whether it was a success or failure. So you will need to have just one little statement. This was a success because, or this was a failure because. Okay? And that's what you would do for your particular person. For the flashcards, you will need 5 flashcards. Whatever you do, don't forget to save. I just went to work on my flashcards and I didn't save, and I was gonna click the article to go see what it looked like in the phone, and it said empty, and so I lost all that information. Just keep that in mind. Always click save. Someone in your group will make flashcards, and so you will make a total of 5. To make flashcards, you click new card set. You put the title of your card set. Say this is JFK domestic and foreign policy review. Reviewing JFK's domestic and foreign policies. There. Save that. And then you're just going to add a new card. And you're going to add 5 terms. Say you do Cuban Missile Crisis. You're going to put on this first slide is always the front side content. So Cuban Missile Crisis. And on the back side of the card, on the back side content, you put who, what, well, actually, no. You just put 1 to 2 sentences explaining the event. 1 to 2 sentences explaining the event. Make sure you save. Okay, let's see.